Changing your password on Airbnb is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to securely update your password. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Airbnb website or open the app and log into your account using your current credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. On the website, click on your profile picture in the top right corner, then select Account. In the app, tap on Profile and then Account. Step 3. Select Security Settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Security section. This is where you can manage your password and other security features. Step 4. Change password. Click on the option to change your password. You will need to enter your current password and then your new password twice to confirm it. Make sure your new password is strong and secure. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new password, click on the Save or Update button to apply the changes. You should receive a confirmation that your password has been successfully updated. Now you can log into your Airbnb account using your new password. Remember to keep your password secure and consider updating it regularly for added security.